Hi friends, let's crack together just in first attempt. I have cleared my Maharashtra set June 2020, UGC NET November 2020 just in first attempt. Obviously, I have studied for 8 months with consistency. Our subject is computer science and applications. Most of the people say that this is very tough to clear the computer science and applications set NET examinations. But I will suggest you it's very easy to crack it. I am going to share last minute notes of my study with you, and so prepare yourself. Don't take tension. There are just 15 days are remain for May 2021 exam on 6th, which starts from 6 October. So let's study and let's crack together. So we are starting from the first paper, which includes teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication, logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, maths aptitude, English comprehension, higher education, people and environment. So here we are going to start from teaching aptitude. These notes are according to my study. So don't be confused. Every topic is included in this. If any topic is remained, so please suggest me. So first teaching aptitude, which starts from teaching variables. What are the teaching variables? There are 3 teaching variables. Most of the time the question is asked what are the variables, or which variable is dependent, or what is intervening variables. So there are 3 variables: independent, dependent and intervening variables. So if you think that the variable which is depend on other variable, so we know that the student is depend on teacher. Student is depend on teacher. So student is dependent variable, teacher is independent variable, and the variables which comes in between student and teacher are the intervening variables. Means teaching methods, aids, technology, books. मीन्स जो बोर्ड होते हैं, चॉक्स होते हैं, बुक्स होते हैं, जो प्रोजेक्टर होते हैं, कंप्यूटर होते हैं, वो क्या है? इंटरवेनिंग वेरिएबल्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट आर द टीचिंग मेन कंसेप्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज एजुकेशन. व्हाट इज एजुकेशन? दिस एजुकेशन कम्स फ्रॉम आवर पेरेंट्स टू अस. द एजुकेशन वी pass to our next generation. This is education. Means auto dictation, self learning. Teaching is transfer from one generation to next. Second is learning. Learning means what? If we go anywhere, we see many things like activities, we experience many things, so we are learning from our activities, our experiences. We always say that experiences are best in life rather than others suggestion. मीन्स अगर हमको कोई बताता है कि ये बहुत अच्छा है और ये बहुत बुरा है, लेकिन अगर हमें एक्सपीरियंस होता है खुद से, हमारे एक्टिविटीज से, हमारे एक्सपीरियंस से समझ जाता है, तो हम खुद अच्छे से लर्न करते हैं. सो लर्निंग मीन्स permanent change in individual's behavior, that is maturation. Next is instruction. Instruction means delivery of contents by teacher. टीचर से जो इंस्ट्रक्शन मिलते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रेनिंग. ट्रेनिंग मीन्स अगर हम कोई जॉब ढूंढ लेते हैं, तो जॉब पे जाने के बाद जो हमें पहले दिनों में सिखाया जाता है उसको ट्रेनिंग कहा जाता है. प्रोवाइड्स टू कैंडिडेट्स जॉब रिलेटेड और टेक्निकल स्किल्स. नेक्स्ट इज इंडोक्ट्रिनेशन. व्हाट इज इंडोक्ट्रिनेशन? Indoctrination means what? Highest order of teaching. Beliefs and ideas are impressed upon others. जो beliefs होते हैं, ideas होते हैं, जो thoughts होते हैं, वो दूसरों पे impress किए जाते हैं. Next is syllabus and curriculum. Now there is a big difference between syllabus and curriculum, and questions are asked from these topics. What is syllabus or what is curriculum? अगर for example अगर हम कोई एडमिशन लेते हैं, तो हमारा जो बुकलेट होता है कोर्स रिलेटेड, उसको कहा जाता है करिकुलम. मीन्स कोर्स कंपोनेंट्स. डिफाइंड एंड प्रिस्क्राइब्ड कोर्स ऑफ स्टडी विच स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट फुलफिल इन ऑर्डर टू पास ए सर्टन लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन. जो 3 ईयर का बीएससी कंप्यूटर साइंस का 3 ईयर का जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है, उसको करिकुलम कहा जाता है. और जो सिलेबस मीन्स first year syllabus, second year syllabus, third year syllabus, means outline or summary of topics descriptive in nature. So these are the most important concepts of teaching: education, learning, instruction, training, indoctrination, syllabus and curriculum. So thank you.